Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into POWERDIRECTOR app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The POWERDIRECTOR app is a strong mobile video editor that offers a ton of features like multi-track editing, effect, color correction, and even 4K export. It's great for content creators, YouTube producers, or anyone who wants serious editing power on a phone. On the downside, the best tools like the Effect Pro Export option are locked behind a subscription, and the app can lag on older or less powerful devices. Also, the UI gets cluttered when you are working on complex projects. So in my opinion, the POWERDIRECTOR app is worth using if you want powerful mobile video editing and don't mind paying for premium features. So if you just want quick, simple clip or lighter editor might serve you better. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.